Hey everyone, Dave here with Fragrance Bros, bringing you another video about Creed. Now, as you can see right here, Creed sent me a box, and they will do this from time to time. Sometimes they don't tell me what's going on. This time, though, they did tell me what's going on, so I do know what's inside here, and if you keep up with emails or anything with Creed, I think you already know what's in here. It's the latest fragrance by Creed. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now, I did take off the ribbon. There was a nice little ribbon on the outside there, so if you wanted to see that, well, there it is. But here is the box, really nice box, a little magnet on there, and look at this. What is this? Okay, so I gotta see what this is. So this, some kind of newspaper thing. Now, it's not a book. In recent years, they sent me a book with Creed's history and really nice photography and that kind of stuff. This isn't that, but it's still pretty cool. A masterpiece, 80 years in the making. OUD ZARIAN, the Creed Chronicle. So that's cool. The OUD legacy. Notes from the Maison. Really neat. So it just gives you a little bit of history and a little bit of details about the fragrance. Pretty cool. So here it is. Top notes: bergamot, frankincense, ginger, and spice accord. Heart notes: rose, centifolia absolute. And base notes: 80-year aged oud, patchouli, sandalwood, myrrh, tonka bean, and licorice root. It says OUD ZARIAN is a scent for those who understand that true beauty is found in patience. Each note unfolds like a chapter in time's story, lingering on the skin with grace and depth. This is the art of waiting, rewarded. This is OUD ZARIAN. All right, already got a little peek at what's inside here. Really nice presentation by Creed, as always. And this is heavy, so I'm not exactly sure what's in here. Wow. My gosh. Looks like a humidor. Nothing else in the box there, so really nice wooden box. It really does actually look like a humidor. I was not joking. It's not sealed like one, though. Wow. I do not know if every fragrance is going to come like this or not. This may just be like a special box. Aged 80 years, crafted with exclusive 80-year-old oud, revered for its spiritual significance and olfactive power. Creed's timeless OUD ZARIAN is born from a long-lasting relationship with the Jalali family, guardians of this sacred oud. All right. Now I don't know where to put this giant box. I don't know. Maybe this might be another desk humidor. All right. Here's the bottle. Beautiful bottle, matte black. I thought it was a different color. From the pictures, it looked like it was almost brown or something. As always, really great presentation, really nice cap on there, really great sprayer. Let me go ahead and give it a spray and see what it smells like. All right, I went ahead and sprayed it real quick. Put this down real quick, and then let me see what it smells like. It doesn't smell like I thought it was going to smell, that's for sure. So right away, there's like this spicy quality. You definitely get ginger. It says there's a spice accord. It's almost like a peppery quality to it. You definitely get a lot of ginger at the start, and you do get some frankincense. If there's rose in there, it's kind of in the background. It's not super rosy up front, which I really appreciate here. And I get a lot of patchouli up front as well. You get almost like this chocolatiness that you get in some really good patchouli. I do get the myrrh in this. And I guess the tonka bean with the patchouli is what's giving me that chocolatey thing in there. So you do get a little bit of that sweetness from the tonka bean. And funny enough, the licorice root is very apparent here. Now, as far as oud and sandalwood, I'm not getting as much of that as I would like to get. If you were to say this was an oud fragrance, I don't necessarily know if I would pick that up unless you put that in the notes. Now, I haven't worn this on skin yet, so maybe that totally changes. But I definitely want to do a full review of that, so I'm going to do that for my next video. But as it stands, I think this so far is pretty good. It's definitely different, and it's not one of the fresh type of fragrances that Creed is known for. Anyway, that's my first impression and unboxing of OUD ZARIAN.
With that, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Fragrance X. Fragrance X is an online reseller that sells thousands of legitimate products for a discounted cost. If you're considering buying a fragrance, definitely check out Fragrance X. I'll have a link down below to them as well as a coupon. But also check out Rakuten.com. Rakuten.com is a website that offers you a rebate with every purchase that you make through their website. They actually have a deal with Fragrance X that offers you a certain percentage in rebates just by buying through Rakuten. So I'll have a link down below below to them as well. Definitely check out Fragrance X and Rakuten together. Great.
What do you think? I would love to hear your thoughts about it. Let me know down in the comments. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave, the Fragrance Bros.